guys, my name is Chandrika and I make videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hacks and whatever goes on my mind, I just make video related to that. So first of all, I'm very happy for today's video because this is my first actual video other than the channel trailer which I have posted. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a haul which I bought from the website called Tijori. So everything in this video is, I think, yes, almost everything is from skincare. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. So first thing which I bought from Tijori is Hydrating Cucumber Face Gel. Now as you all know, we are in summers, so this will be a really cool gel for you. Now what you have to do with this is you have to wash your face, then take a little bit on your palm, on your finger, and just rub on your face and let it dry, and then wash off like after 5 minutes, and then just wash off with a cold water and you will feel like really hydrating. This is what they claim. I don't know about that, if it does that or not, but I will definitely let you know about this. And the next product which I bought is Tan Removal Sun Dry Papaya and Orange Facial Scrub. Now this is really good for you if you have like a skin which gets to tan really quickly in summer, so you can try this. I will also review about this in my upcoming video. Next product is like Nourishing Almond Body Cream. Now this is for dry skin. Like if you have a dry skin, you should go for this cream because almond oil, it has almond oil which is very hydrating for a dry skin. And you know, when you have a dry skin, your body gets to get much drier than your face. So I think you should take care of that as well. So you can try this cream. I have used this cream in past and this worked for me. So I hope this also works for you. The next thing which we bought is anti-aging coffee gel. Now when you get exposure to sun and the UV rays, you know, your skin tends to get aging. Like it's not like aging is not a process which goes within an age. You get to age if you expose yourself a lot to the sun. So you can try this gel. I am also using this gel for the first time, so I will let you know if this works or not. But let's see. Next thing is like, this is the really nice thing, and I want to try this for so long. And this is Kumkumadi Face Serum. Like I have heard a lot about it, and I will try this and then I will let you know like if it actually works or not, because you know, you cannot give your reviews about something which you haven't used yet. So first I want to use this and then I will let you know the review. Tori Curry Leaves Herbal Hair Oil. Now this hair oil claims that it stops hair falls, you know, regrows your hair and just prevent anti-aging, premature aging, or you know, strengthen your hairs. Like, to be very honest, I don't think any hair oil can regrow your hair. Yes, they can, you know, help you in texture or your, you know, just dryness, but I don't think that they can regrow your hair, or if I'm not a right person to tell that, but they claim that. We will put this on test and see if this works or not. So next product is Damage Repair Hair Pack. Now this also claims that this will regrowth your hair and just repair the dry ends and the dead ends. We will see if this works or not, because if it works, I must use this because I need this badly. And the last product which we have is a Cleansing Papaya and Lemon Face Pack. Now it's very like, see the packaging. Packaging reminds me of Khadi. Yes, Khadi also have the same packaging for their shampoos, oils and like face packs. But I have used Khadi. I have used just one product from Tejuri, this almond body cream. So I'm not sure about the other products, but I will let you guys know about the products. So this is a face pack, so let's see how it works. Now, to be really quickly, I just want to tell you guys about some issues with the website. I don't have any issues with the products, but I have issues with the website, because when I placed my order on 10th of March. So when I placed my order, they said that I will receive my order within a week or two. But when I have placed my order, I haven't received it like in month, and their customer service number is not reachable, and if it is reachable, no one is answering that. So that is, I don't think this is really good for any website. If you want to work, like, you should be, at least you should tell your customer that you are not able to deliver the product for so and so reasons. So this is something which I don't like it. And yeah, but the best part, what I read on their website, is like they are organic and 100% Ayurvedic. So obviously if something is organic or Ayurvedic, they don't have any side effects, and they too claim that their products are like ideal for most sensitive skin. So I have a sensitive skin, not most sensitive skin, but yes, I do have a sensitive skin. So I think this will work for me, and I will let you know in the second part of this video. Like, I will put all these products on a test, and I will review this in my next part. So till then, stay tuned. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and show your love to me.